Are you aware of some incredible health benefits of pumpkin seeds? Yes, pumpkin seeds, also known as pepitas, are the edible seeds of pumpkins, a popular fall vegetable. Now, while they are commonly enjoyed during Halloween, these small green seeds offer a wide range of health benefits all year round. Packed with essential nutrients, pumpkin seeds are a true powerhouse of wellness. In this video, we reveal 20 incredible benefits of pumpkin seeds that make them an excellent addition to your diet. But before we begin, if you are new to this channel, click the subscribe button to join us, and also the notification bell, so you get notified every time we upload a new video. And here is a disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only, and is no substitute for direct medical care or advice from a doctor or a qualified clinician or dietitian. Alright, so here we go. 1. Pumpkin seeds are rich in nutrients. Yes, pumpkin seeds are loaded with essential vitamins and minerals, such as magnesium, iron, zinc, potassium, and vitamin E. Furthermore, they also contain protein and healthy fats, making them a highly nutritious snack. 2. Pumpkin seeds promote heart health. The high levels of magnesium and antioxidants found in pumpkin seeds contribute to cardiovascular health. Specifically, they help lower blood pressure, reduce low-density lipoprotein, or bad cholesterol levels, and so promote healthy heart function. 3. Pumpkin seeds boost the immune system. It has been discovered that the zinc content in pumpkin seeds plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy immune system, and therefore, consuming them regularly can help ward off infections, as well as support overall immune function. 4. Pumpkin seeds are an antioxidant powerhouse. Bear in mind that pumpkin seeds are rich in antioxidants, including vitamin E and carotenoids. And studies have shown that these compounds protect the body against free radicals, reducing the risk of chronic diseases and promoting cellular health. 5. Pumpkin seeds have anti-inflammatory properties. Yes, several studies have shown that pumpkin seeds possess anti-inflammatory effects, which can help alleviate symptoms of arthritis, as well as reduce inflammation in the body. If you are enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. 6. Pumpkin seeds enhance brain health. Research has found that the combination of antioxidants, magnesium, zinc, and fatty acids in pumpkin seeds supports brain health and improves cognitive function. And so, they may help prevent age-related cognitive decline, but also boost memory. 7. Pumpkin seeds support prostate health. Yes, pumpkin seeds have long been recognized for their positive impact on prostate health. And research has discovered that the high levels of zinc in these seeds help maintain prostate health, as well as reduce the risk of prostate-related issues. 8. Pumpkin seeds promote healthy sleep. It has been discovered that pumpkin seeds are an excellent source of tryptophan, an amino acid that aids in the production of serotonin and melatonin, hormones essential for regulating sleep patterns and promoting better sleep quality. 9. Pumpkin seeds help to boost mood. Yes, the presence of magnesium in pumpkin seeds contributes to the production of serotonin, known as the feel-good hormone, and as such, including pumpkin seeds in your diet may help improve mood, as well as reduce symptoms of depression. 10. Pumpkin seeds aid in weight management. Research has found that with their rich fiber and protein content, pumpkin seeds can promote feelings of fullness, reducing overeating, and aiding in weight management. If you are enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. 11. Pumpkin seeds support digestive health. Bear in mind that the dietary fiber found in pumpkin seeds supports a healthy digestive system by promoting regular bowel movements, preventing constipation, and supporting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. 12. Pumpkin seeds promote bone health. Several studies have shown that pumpkin seeds are a good source of magnesium, phosphorus, and zinc, all of which are essential minerals for maintaining healthy bones and preventing osteoporosis. 13. Pumpkin seeds enhance skin health. Keep in mind that the antioxidants in pumpkin seeds, along with their vitamin E content, help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals and promote a youthful complexion. 14. Pumpkin seeds possess anti-diabetic effects. Yes, research suggests that pumpkin seeds may help regulate blood sugar levels, improve insulin sensitivity, as well as reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. 15. Pumpkin seeds promote eye health. Research has found that the carotenoids found in pumpkin seeds, such as lutein and zeaxanthin, are beneficial for maintaining eye health and reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration. If you are enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. 16. Pumpkin seeds support liver health. It has been discovered that pumpkin seeds contain compounds that promote liver detoxification and support overall liver health. And so, they help protect the liver from damage and aid in its proper functioning. 17. Pumpkin seeds have antiparasitic properties. Studies have indicated that pumpkin seeds possess antiparasitic properties and may help eliminate intestinal worms and other parasites from the body. 18. Pumpkin seeds enhance hormonal balance. Research has found that the zinc content in pumpkin seeds is crucial for hormonal balance, especially in women. And as such, consuming pumpkin seeds may help alleviate symptoms of premenstrual syndrome, as well as support reproductive health. 19. Pumpkin seeds have anti-cancer potential. Bear in mind that pumpkin seeds contain antioxidants and phytochemicals that have shown potential in preventing the growth of certain types of cancer cells, particularly breast and prostate cancers. 20. Pumpkin seeds are easy to incorporate. Yes, pumpkin seeds are incredibly versatile and can be easily incorporated into your diet. You can enjoy them roasted as a snack, sprinkle them over salads, add them to baked goods, or use them as a topping for yogurt or oatmeal. Do you have any other benefits to add to the list? If you do, feel free to add them in the comments section below. And in conclusion, bear in mind that 1. Pumpkin seeds are not only delicious, but also offer a plethora of health benefits. From supporting heart health and boosting the immune system, to promoting healthy sleep and enhancing brain function, these small seeds are a nutritional powerhouse. 2. Including pumpkin seeds in your diet can contribute to overall well-being and help you lead a healthier life. And so, 3. The next time you carve a pumpkin, do not just throw the seeds away, but remember to save them and reap their numerous benefits. Finally, if you find value in this video, like the video, and remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified of new uploaded videos on this channel. Thank you for watching.